A million times, yeah. Yeah, a million times, yeah. Ooh.
Okay, you guys, I am starting on freshly washed hair. I just washed and deep conditioned my hair. I'm going to moisturize as I go, and to do that I'm going to use the African Pride, can y'all see this? I'm going to use the what is this called? African Pride Olive Miracle leave-in conditioner. I'm going to use this to moisturize my hair, and I'm going to be using, what is this, BB Tropical Roots Stimulating Growth Oil. It looks like this. Anyways, yeah, so this is what I'm about to be using. I am terrified. I need to be able to see what I'm doing, therefore I will have my glasses on. So I'm sorry for the glare in advance, but I need it. Where did I put the rubber bands? Oh my gosh. Oh, never mind. I found them. Okay. I don't know if I'm gonna use rubber bands or not, because I don't know. If I do, I'm gonna be using these. These are the Super Stretch Soft and Springy Rubber Band. I am also using a rat tail comb. Where's my rat tail comb? I've never parted my hair by myself, like for any protective style like this, so y'all gonna have to bear with me. I will show y'all the hair when that time comes. But yeah, let's start on this madness. This is gonna be a lot more difficult than I thought it was. Anyways, I'm gonna pin this part up. Oh Jesus, excuse my edges, y'all. I'm gonna pin like this much up. I really should have watched more videos over parting my hair. I'm gonna use one of these really stretchy hair ties. These are like the all fabric ones. These are my favorite because they don't break my hair. I don't know what size parts I'm going for. We're gonna start from like right here. This is just like a rough draft part because baby, ask me if I know how to part my hair. The answer is no. So I guess now that we've had our rough draft part, I'm gonna put that up. Okay. I have the Shine and Jam. This is what I'm gonna use to part my hair. A good part, y'all, because I am struggling. Okay, this is about to take forever. Okay, period. Cool. We are gonna use the rubber bands because this right here just ain't working for me. I'm gonna wrap it like 5 times. That's secure. Alright, and then I'm just going to twist the rest of my hair. Alright, next part. I'm 25 minutes into this video already and I've only done 3 parts. That's great. Anyways, I think that's good. Get at me if you want your hair braided. Oh god. Okay, should go. No, we're gonna go from the top of my hair. See, good enough, because baby, my arms hurt, okay? They hurt. I did this row. It's not perfect, but it'll do. Okay, so I'm finally done with my hair. Parting it. I'm done parting and moisturizing my hair. For those of you that are gonna ask how many twists are in my head, let me go ahead and count them. 41 twists in my head. I did not intend for this to be so jumbo, but it did. Okay, now for the hair. As you can tell by the title, this video is sponsored. I have a sponsored video, but all opinions are my own. I was sent this hair by X-tress Hair company. I will put their store link in the description box, and I will put their name on the screen. I got sent 22-inch faux locks in the color T1B27. So it looks like this. It's 22 inches long. It's really beautiful. I'm gonna stand on my bed just to give y'all an idea of how long this hair is on me. Like, y'all see? So yeah. Looks like this, and it's really beautiful. Each pack comes with 20 strands, and I'll make sure I put, they sent me 5 packs. But yeah, let's get into me putting this into my head. I'm going to put all of my hair up, or at least attempt to. Alright, so this is what it's looking like so far. I feel like it'll look 10 times better once my whole head is done. So I think I'm gonna come back when I'm on my last few. Okay, so I'm on my last 2 now, and I am really liking this thus far. Okay, let's do these last 2. I feel like I can come to y'all and like actually show y'all how to do it, especially because I'm not in any pain no more. All right, so we're starting here. These are my parts. So what I did is I put my crochet needle through the root of my hair. I'm going to hook this onto the end like so, because there's a loop. Close the latch, pull it through, open the latch, take my hair, or take this hair out. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna separate, there's a little loop in this hair. I'm gonna separate the loop, and then I'm gonna grab just my hair. Not the, I see tutorials that grab both the hair and both the lock and the hair, but I think that makes it look too bulky. And what I'm gonna do is, these locks unravel, so you can untwist them. You're gonna untwist them, and then you have to retwist them in the direction that they go. So since I untwist this way, I have to wrap this way, okay? So that's basically what I've been doing. I'm wrapping, unraveling, wrapping, unraveling, wrapping, unraveling, wrapping. So there, I just covered my hair, and I'm just gonna kind of tug on it, and boom. So that's how I've been doing them. Okay, so that is it. Y'all see how it looks? I'm gonna show y'all the back. So I'm going to be back when I do my makeup, and I will give y'all the outro and my thoughts on this hair. Alright, so it is now about 3 days later that I'm filming this, and this is how the hair is looking. It's still looking really, really nice and really fresh. I am in love with this hair, y'all. I've been posting on Snapchat every day and on Instagram, just feeling myself, because this hair makes me feel like the baddest bee walking, okay, period. So again, like I said earlier, this hair was sent to me by X-tress Hair on AliExpress. They sent me 5 packs of hair, and I only used 2 and then 1 strand from another pack. Each pack has 20 strands, so I have 41 strands on my head, which means I have enough to do this style again, because that's how much I have enough hair. I wasn't intending for like the parts to be so big, but at the same time I'm glad I did, because I didn't want them to be an overwhelming amount of locks on my head. Like I didn't want it to look too bulky, and it doesn't. It looks like just the right density on my head. Like it's not too much. This hair is 22 inches long in the color T1B27. 22 inches, and it's like at the top of my butt, at the lowest. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, it's like right at the top of my butt, and then in the front it falls to like about here. So, can't see. So that's where it falls in the front. I've been wearing it in this like kind of side flip kind of hairdo because I really like how that looks on me, although the middle part looks nice too. This is the middle part, and my parts are really clean. I love it, but I've been really feeling the side part look, so that's how I've been wearing it for these past 3 days. I'm also going to do a hairstyle video so that I can show y'all like a couple different ways to style these faux locks. These are really soft and bouncy. Like, in mind, they're not stiff, they're really nice and they're soft, and they don't have a smell at all. They didn't have a smell when I took them out the package or anything, so look, stiff well, ain't no stiff hip. But yeah, I really like this hair. I'm going to leave a link for their store down below, as well as the link to this hair. Y'all need to go get it. It's actually really affordable. You could probably do this style for about $12, because it's about $6 a pack, and I actually could have gotten away with 2 packs. It's only $41 because I messed up the parting on the second to last row back here, so that is why it's like that. So definitely it only takes 2 packs to do this style for me. I totally recommend y'all go get it. I can't believe they sponsored this video, so a big thank you to them for sending me this hair and sponsoring this video. So yeah, I think that's really all I have to say as far as this. I also wanted to say thank you guys for 200 subscribers. I think we're actually at like 212 now. We hit it a few days ago, which is like really mind-blowing me. I was so happy, and thank you guys for the amount of love that I'm getting on my locks video. I think it's at about 11,000 views right now, which is crazy. It's crazy. And y'all also showing a lot of love to the skincare video I just put out. But yeah, I think that's all I have to say about this hair. I'm sorry, I keep looking over here. I'm like really infatuated with how this hair looks. You guys, anybody that's on my Snapchat, I've been feeling myself. Like, I've been posting every day, every single day, and every time I post, it's just me putting my hands through my hair because I'm like, yes, bitch, still wear. Like, this hair is so soft and beautiful, and I would definitely be doing this style again in the future. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and follow me on all my social media. They'll be in the description box down below. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos, because I have like 3 videos already recorded that I'm editing and I'm about to put up. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Real talk.